WR's Lena Tillett has covered this case and the legislation that lawmakers proposed after Christal's death nearly 2 years ago.
And Lena, you just spoke exclusively with the new Nash County Social Services Director for the first time.
That's right, Deborah. Those details were so hard to hear. This was the first time I was able to ask direct questions about the failures within Nash DSS with actual leadership there. And it was clear Christal's death has rattled that department.
Do you think Nash DSS failed Christal Lane?
I think that there are things that could have been done differently. I feel for Christal. I feel for all of those involved. It was a tragic incident that still impacts the agency.
And our investigation found a pattern of Nash DSS not responding to urgent cases just like this after we learned of another child on your screen, Chase Hilliard, dying despite prior warnings that he should be removed from his home. The state took over the agency after our findings and their own investigation in September of 2023. So they let go of leadership and hired that woman, Denita Devega, as its new director, and Nash DSS is now operating on its own. However, today Devega told me the state still comes in twice a month to examine cases at random. And Devega told me she's done a complete overhaul of the agency, including hiring a whole new team to address child abuse cases like Christal's.
Now, critical cases are totally being focused on. I implemented an escalation protocol so that critical cases are not just looked at by social workers and supervisors. They're going up the chain to the program manager, the deputy director, and they're also coming to my attention as well.
Bottom line, Devega told me the community should feel confident that they will handle these cases properly. For more on this case and the legislation that's been proposed to try to have more state oversight over cases like this, you can go to WRAL.com.